guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I just wanted to talk about Paul Stevenson, the owner of Exitus Elite, and he was one of the reasons why I joined Exitus Elite, because I've been doing affiliate marketing for many years now, and there were a lot of opportunities that I joined that had very bad owners that ended up destroying the business, and they just made dumb decisions, or they just didn't care, or maybe it was a cash grab for them. I don't know. But Paul Stevenson, the owner of Exitus Elite, cares about this business, and you can tell because it's been running over 9 years now. Next year will be its 10th anniversary, and they have this thing coming out now in Exitus Elite called the Exitus Evolution. And basically what it is, it's going to be a huge major update and overhaul of the entire opportunity. It's still going to have the basic products that come with all the different product levels in Exitus Elite. We sell educational courses that teach you how to make money online. There's a lot of training in there. So Exitus Elite gives you all kinds of value and all kinds of training. But I could give you all the techniques and all the training possible, and Exitus Elite can, but if you're not willing to work and if you don't truly want it, you're not going to find success. And I would ask you not to join. You're always going to get the truth from me, because I don't want you to make the same mistakes that I made in the past. I want you to join a business that you believe in. I don't join businesses I don't believe in anymore. I'm not just gonna, if I have somebody on my Facebook or something saying, oh, this is a new opportunity, it's really good, you should join, I'm not gonna join. Not unless that opportunity has proven itself and it has an owner that actually cares about the business. I'm not gonna bring tons of people into a business anymore unless I know it's safe to bring those people in. That's why I chose Exitus Elite. In Exitus Elite, we make 100% instant commissions. It has all the tools and resources that you can ever possibly need to find success. But you have to want that success. So back to Paul Stevenson. He's a great owner. He cares about the business. Exitus Elite is probably one of the rare opportunities I see right now that I believe will still be here 2 to 5 years from now. I could still see it being here. That's how well run this business is. So if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite and everything about it, I will have a video at the end of this. I will have one of my review videos at the end of this video. If you don't see it, or you don't click on it right away, just go to my main YouTube channel. You'll see tons of video reviews that I have done on this business. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I just wanted to make it short. Why I love Exitus Elite and Paul Stevenson, because he cares about the business, and I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business. So I'll see you all in the next video. I have a lot of content coming out about Exitus Elite, and I'll see you all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video, and also the link to join Exitus Elite is in the description below, as well as my phone number. You can call me anytime, leave a message, text me, whatever. I am here for you. Bye.